it have more power than it did before?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Hey guys, Mike here from Moto Mule. If you watched our last video on this little trophy cart, you know that we found this awesome little cart, brought it home, put in a smaller seat so the boys could see over the steering wheel, and immediately took it out to the sand dunes. It was fun. It has absolutely amazing suspension, massive long travel, and king coilover shocks in each corner. The ride is superb. But the power in the sand was underwhelming. So, as any master tinkerers would do, we yanked the stock engine out and decided to throw in more power. Enter the Tillotson 225.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Any good project starts with a thorough wash, followed by a good session of fake engine noises. Except for this kid. I want to hear real engine noises, Dad. Jeez. Kids these days. No imagination. Fine. I'll get to work on real engine noises. I transferred the CVT setup off of the stock engine onto the Tillotson, along with a juggernaut clutch. I rotated the pull start housing forward to make it work with the trophy cart setup. The Tillotson engine is actually smaller than the stock engine, so I had to make some spacers to lift the engine up off of the mounting plate. My first set of spacers were too short. The CVT still hit the frame. If you do this same swap, make your spacers 1 1/4 inches long the first time.
What are you doing, Lyle?
Fixing my cart.
You taking off the throttle cable?
Yeah.
It's kind of tight in there, huh?
Luckily I can fit.
Yeah. Oh, you got it? Yes. Good job, buddy. Okay, we'll turn the gas on.
Mm-hmm.
It takes like 15,000 tries.
It takes it like 4 tries.
By the way, it has a 2-stroke pipe on it.
Yeah, we know.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the first try.
Yeah. Yeah.